Some football news now. It seems the reggae boy Renaldo Cephas and his Turkish club Angara Gucho are on the verge of ending their relationship. 2 days ago, the club reported that the Jamaican striker had gone missing. According to the reports, they had been unable to contact Cephas, who has not attended recent training sessions. But when TVJ Sports contacted Cephas on Wednesday, he assured us he was safe, but decided not to comment further on the issue. He has since posted a photo from a gym on his Instagram page with him completing a workout. Cephas joined Angara Gucho on August 8, 2023, and has so far scored 3 goals in 31 appearances.